guys, Charlee Atkins here. Here's a workout that I created so that you can make the most out of your 99 days of summer. First move are flutter kicks or scissor kicks. So all I'm gonna do is lay on my back, lift it up, engaging the core, and I'm just gonna flutter my legs. Or I can crisscross them. Next, we got knee tucks. Hands behind me to support me, reaching my feet out, tucking my knees in. Next one, ab circles. Laying here, hands behind my head, lifting up, activating the core, and just taking some circles. And this one, side of the table, lifting up, activating the core, lifting the knees up. You don't even know. You don't even know. And last but not least, leaning back, activating the core, lifting the legs up.